Common ingredient measured in conversion.
Hey there! In this video, we'll explore a common ingredient that is often measured in various conversions. So, let's dive right in.
What is the ingredient?
The common ingredient we'll be focusing on is flour. Flour is an essential component in many recipes, ranging from bread and cakes to cookies and pastries. It serves as the base ingredient for doughs and batters, providing structure, texture, and flavor to a wide array of culinary creations.
Why is flour measured?
Flour is typically measured in various conversions due to its role in achieving the desired consistency and texture in a recipe. When it comes to baking, precise measurements are crucial to ensure the proper balance of ingredients and yield consistent results.
Common conversion measurements.
Cups to grams. One common conversion is from cups to grams. Different types of flour have varying densities, so converting from volume, cups, to weight, grams, can help ensure accuracy. For example, 1 cup of all-purpose flour weighs approximately 125 grams. This conversion allows bakers to follow recipes from different sources consistently, even if they use different units of measurement. Ounces to cups. Another frequently encountered conversion is from ounces to cups. Some recipes may provide measurements in ounces, but you may prefer to use cups instead. In this case, it's helpful to know that 1 cup of all-purpose flour is approximately 4.5 ounces. This conversion allows for greater flexibility in adapting recipes based on the measuring tools available. Grams to teaspoons. Occasionally, recipes might require precise measurements in teaspoons. If you have flour measured in grams but need to convert it to teaspoons, keep in mind that 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour weighs approximately 2.6 grams. This conversion is particularly useful for small quantities or when working with delicate recipes where precision is essential. And there you have it. Flour is a common ingredient that is frequently measured in various conversions. Whether you're converting from cups to grams, ounces to cups, or grams to teaspoons, understanding these conversions allows you to confidently tackle a wide range of recipes. So go ahead, get baking, and enjoy the delightful creations you can whip up using flour in your kitchen. Happy cooking!